Hey, welcome back to this video. Today we're gonna go to a movie, Interstellar. I've already seen it, but I wanna see it in the big screens. So yeah, let's go watch that. And also, we'll be going to IKEA. It's my first time. No, it's my second time actually here in Bangalore. I went to the Hyderabad one. First time I went, I didn't look around that much. We just had to go grab something very quick and come back. So now let's go see how it is, like clearly, and yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. So first we're gonna go to my college, to collect some marks cards and stuff, and then we'll go to the movie, and then in the evening IKEA. So let's go. I reached the metro. I'm waiting for Shobit, so we'll pick him up and go to the college. Shobit is here. So this is my college. There's a ground, there's a building, nothing much to see. This is Gopalan College. Yeah. So let's go watch the movie. After a long drive, we reached the theaters, but we were a bit too early, so ice cream. All right, show time.
There at the funeral.
So I'm back from the movie. I just came home. I'm very late. Have to go to IKEA as well. So, yeah, so the movie was okay. It was good. Had fun time. So I'm late, right? So I didn't shoot after the movie. So here I am. So let's quickly go grab my sister and mom and head to IKEA. Okay, we finally reached IKEA. Here's my sister. Hi. After 2.5 hours, it was horrible. So yeah, let's see how IKEA is. So after that, we were so hungry, so we went to eat something. There were cheesecakes, sandwiches, rolls. There was this other session as well where you can get rice, paratas, and curries to go along with that. There were also cupcakes and croissants as well. There's also different kinds of soups. There's starters and chicken nuggets. Also pizza slices and potato veggies as well. It also has a huge seating area with a kids play area as well. There were also microwaves to heat up your food like rolls or any other starters you like. Also you can buy a drink and refill it as much as you want. These are all the options. We wanted to try lemonade first, so we went ahead with lemonade. We also got pizza, cheesecake, chicken nuggets, smashed potatoes, chicken starters, paneer and paratha, and finally finished it off with ice cream. So we're done with shopping and we also had food. They gave us free ice cream at the last. So how was IKEA?
It was fun.
How was the food?
Most of it was good. I didn't really like the paratha and the
Paneer.
paneer. The chicken
Yeah.
nuggets were
Even the pizza
really
was
good.
bad
Yeah, the pizza was sweet.
and cheesecake was the best.
I like the chicken nuggets the most.
We also had mashed potatoes.
With gravy.
It was
That
very good. Yeah. So yeah, we'll go home and sleep, I guess. I'm back home and I was pretty tired. I was literally out the whole day. We went to college, we went to movie, then we went to IKEA, had some food, and I came home right now. It's 12 o'clock. While coming back, it was just an hour drive, but when we went to IKEA, it took us like around 2.5 hours. So that was really stressful, and in IKEA we have to roam and stuff. So yeah, It was very tiring. So hope you like the video. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.